How to write chemical equations. Now this is a word equation. Aluminium plus copper 2 oxide will make aluminium oxide and copper. Now this is an unbalanced symbol equation. Aluminium plus copper oxide, aluminium oxide and copper. Now how will we balance them? So first of all, there is one aluminium atom on the left side, but there are two aluminium atoms on the right side. So what are you going to do? You are going to write 2 over here. Now 2 aluminium and 2 aluminium. So that means these both aluminiums are equal. The next step we are going to do is oxygen. Now right over here there are 3 oxygens on the right side, but there is only one oxygen on the left hand side. So we are going to write 3 over here. Now 3 oxygens and 3 oxygens. So that means that the oxygens are balanced. Now if we have written 3 over here, that means we need to write 3 over here as well on the right hand side, because there are 3 copper atoms and there is only one copper atom right on the right side. So we are going to write 3 with the copper. Now our equation is balanced.